Morning, children of class 2. Today I'll be doing your lesson 19. I finished with your lesson 18, 17 and 18 is the short form. I'm not doing this now because next year I think in class 3 you'll be doing it this one. So first let me start with lesson 19. In, on, under, behind, between, into, over. Okay. Now read these sentences. Now in means under, भीतरे, on means ऊपरे ऊपर, under means तौला नीचे, and behind means पीछे पीछूने, between means माझखाने बीच में, into means अंदर, over means ऊपर over. ठीक है, over. Now read this sentence. Read these sentences. The fruits are in the bowl. See, all the fruits are in the bowl. ठीक है, inside the bowl. এটা bowl and bowl এ ভিতরে আছে. Okay, inside it is. The fruits are inside the bowl. It's not over the bowl. Okay, it's not over the bowl. It's not under the bowl. It's not between the bowl. Okay, it's inside the bowl. So in the bowl, like the spoon is in the glass. Okay, now see, this is the spoon and this is in the cup. The spoon is in the cup. Now the same way the fruits are in the bowl, bhiture. The books are on the table. Now this is a table, so the book is on the table. Like the doll is on the bench. The doll is sitting on the bench. See, this is a doll. It is sitting on. On माने on का मतलब है इसके ऊपर. Okay, on. एर ऊपरे, बेंच ऊपरे डॉलटा बসে আছে, बेंच के ऊपर डॉल बैठी हुई है. Okay. The mouse is under the stool. Now the mouse is under the stool. The doll is sitting on the bench and the boy, this is a boy, the boy is under the bench, under तौला. ठीक है, नीचे. Understood? So this is on and this is under. ठीक है, bench के नीचे. Okay, see, the mouse is under the table. Now this is the table, so this is the thing. This is the under. So the pencil is under the table. Okay, this is the boy is under the bench. Okay, now Raj sits behind Varun. Raj sits behind Varun. See, this is Raj and he is sitting behind Varun. Varune pichune. So the elephant is, now see the elephant. Elephant is here at a bench. The elephant is behind mane pichune, behind the bench. The elephant is behind the bench. Did you all understand? Behind mane pichune. This is the bench and pichune ache. So same way Raj is sitting behind Varun. Now the Shaili is running between Riya and Nisha. Now between Riya and Nisha. ठीक है. Okay. Now see, children, I'll just show you. Shaili is running between Riya and them. Shaili, this is Shaili. She is between Riya and Nisha. Nisha আছে আর রিয়া আছে, নিশা আছে, মাঝখানে शैली. शैली হচ্ছে दौड़ाচ্ছে মাঝখানে. शैली बीच में दौड़ रही है. इस तरीके से there is a giraffe, this is a elephant and this is a hippopotamus. So where is the elephant? The elephant is between the giraffe. Okay, this is a giraffe. See, this is a giraffe, between the giraffe and the hippopotamus. So the elephant টা কোথায়, হাতিটা কোথায়, giraffe, hippopotamus মাঝখানে হচ্ছে হাতি. Did you understand? Now the puppy jumped over the log. See, it is jumping over. Over माने एकदम ओके उसको उछल के उसके ऊपर चढ़ा. तो now here, now this giraffe jumped over the bench. Okay, this is over. Over माने उसके ऊपर, छूता नहीं है. ধরবে না, এইরকম ধরবে না, ওর উপরে বসিয়ে তারপরে জাম্প করলো না, এখান থেকে একটা লাফালো ওই দিকে लाफालो. ठीक है, यहाँ से वो कूद के उधर गया, उसको ओवर बोलते हैं. ओवर मतलब इसके बेंच के ऊपर से. ठीक है, दैट इज़ ओवर. डिड यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ विल कम बैक. ओके, the words in, on, under, behind, between, into, over, all are position words. Tell us about where someone is there. Okay, the words in, on, under, okay, everything, all the words, they are what are they? See, the words in, on, under, between, behind और पिछने, elephant पिछने, all these are, and over. Okay, over is over. All these words are that tell us someone or something is where they are. এটা কোথায়? on. এটা কোথায়? under. spoonটা কোথায়? in. Did you understand? So now into is also there. I'll show you what is into afterwards. Circle the position. Now see, here are some more position words: inside, in front of, next to, near, below, above, up, down, into. So now these words, inside means that is outside the door, and this is inside. Okay, outside दरजा बाहरे, दरजा भीतरे, रूमे भीतरे. Did you understand? In front of, तो the hippopotamus is in front of the elephant. hippopotamus कोথায়? in front of, और सामने, in front of. The hippopotamus is in front of the bench, in front of the doll. Okay, this is in front. next to माने, see, next to. The boy is sitting next to the doll. The boy is sitting next to the doll. next to. ठीक है. now near माने, okay, here, this is near. The hippopotamus is near the bench. The hippopotamus is near माने काचे, पाशे it is. Okay, that will be far away. ও তো দূর গেলে ফার অ্যাওয়ে হবে. এটা হচ্ছে নিয়ার, এইটা হচ্ছে ফার. ওকে, এই জিরাফটা হচ্ছে ফার, কিন্তু হিপোপটামাস বেঞ্চের কাছে. ঠিক আছে. নাও below means below नीचे. अंडर में क्या होगा? ज़मीन छुएगा. बिलो का मतलब है वो बीच में लटक रहा है, जैसे बिलो. ठीक है, उसके नीचे बिलो. अबाव মানে উপরে. যেরকম আমার হাত ধরছে না কিন্তু মাঝখানে আছে, যেরকম आकाशे धरती है, ये सोचो ये आकाश है, तो यहाँ पे पंछी उड़ रहा है, या ये गाछ है, এটা গাছ, ওর উপরে পাখিটা যাচ্ছে. দ্যাট মিন্স अबाव, এর উপরে, একে ধরে যাচ্ছে না, এর মাথা উপরে. ডিড ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? দ্যাট ইজ अबाव. নাও up is also same, up, and this will be down का मतलब पेंसिल नीचे रखा है. ओके, और ये पेंसिल अब अप हो गया, ऊपर आ गया, हवा में लटक रहा है, अप. ठीक है, या अप द शेल्फ. ओके, द टीवी is kept on the showcase, up, that will be up. Where is the pencil fallen? It is up, it is down. So this is up and down. Did you understand? Into. Now what is into? into means this is in. What is the difference between in and into? Into মানে, now see, this is the dolphin. ঠিক है, when you change the position, যখন পজিশনটা চেঞ্জ হয় তখন আমরা ইনটু বলি। আগে ডলফিন বাইরে ছিল, ওকে, নাও ইট জাম্পস অ্যান্ড ফলস ইনটু দ্য ওয়াটার। দ্য ডলফিন জাম্পড ইনটু দ্য ওয়াটার। তো ইনটু মানে বাইরে ছিল, এখন ইনটু দ্য ওয়াটার। নাও দ্য ডলফিন ইজ ইন দ্য ওয়াটার। দ্য ডলফিন ইজ ইন দ্য ওয়াটার। সি, now this is the dolphin, okay, this is the dolphin. The dolphin jumped into the water. Dolphin বাইরে ছিল, ওকে, এখন ও জাম্প করেছে, জাম্প করে into the thing, okay. Now like this is the book. See, this is the book. Now we say put your book into your bag. In book টেবিল উপরে ছিল, এখন ও চলে গেছে, अभी चला गया बैग के अंदर, into position in the bag. Now the book, where is your book? In the bag. Book এ যখন অলরেডি আছে, বাইরে থেকে ভিতরে গেল না, then we'll say in. কিন্তু বাইরে থেকে ভিতরে পজিশনটা চেঞ্জ করলো, then we'll say into. Like I say, put your book into the bag. Into the bag মানে বাইরে ছিল, ওকে ভিতরে ঢোকাও। Now when I say where is your book, you'll say in my bag. In মানে আছে, ব্যাগে ভিতরে আছে, পজিশন চেঞ্জ হলো না। Did you understand? This is into. The difference between in and into. In means already. It's already in. Where is the spoon? In the cup. Now the spoon is outside. Where is the spoon? Outside the cup. Now put the spoon into the cup. Into this is. Did you understand? It went inside. ভিতরে ঢুকলো, বাইরে ছিল, ভিতরে গেল. That is into. Now hope you have understood. Now we'll come back.